Welcome back guys to the part 2 of the Android calculator development tutorials, and our project is ready. And here we have the layout file, and here we have the main activity or the Java file and XML file. So first of all, I will remove the relative layout with the linear layout, and let's leave this padding as well and give it an orientation, a vertical orientation, and remove this text view. So in the calculator, first of all, you need to have an area where you can see what values are you going to calculate. So for that purpose, let me take a edit text, match parent, wrap content, match parent, and give it an ID, or and name it my text, and this should be wrap content, not match parent, and input type number, and also I will give a gravity and because I want the text to be on the right side, and also I will assign it weight 1. Since it's taking the entire width of the screen, I will have another linear layout match parent wrap content weight 1, and paste it below the edit text, and make this wrap content. Now it's taking its width, and match parent, and just give it weight of 7. Okay, it will get fine as we add more components here. So we have the edit text now, and let me add another linear layout match parent and wrap content and weight of 1, and we need 2 buttons here, button match parent wrap content text equal to backspace, ID is equal to backspace. I think we are good. And now next we add another button match parent wrap content, ID is equal to clear, and text is equal to clear as well. So we get 2 buttons here, and now we have to assign it weight 0.5, and also here weight 0.5, and also we need to give this orientation is horizontal. So we have now 2 buttons, and this is our edit text, and here we have 2 buttons, and as we add more components it will adjust itself. So add another linear layout match parent wrap content, orientation horizontal, weight 1, so now we have to add more buttons, and like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 button, point button, addition, multiplication, subtraction, these buttons, square root, and etc. buttons we have to add over here. So for that purpose, let's start working. And first let me add this button and a wrap content, or not wrap content, make it match parent wrap content, ID is equal to 7, text is equal to 7, and since we are adding 5 buttons, so we will give it weight of 0.2, and I think we are good to go. So now what we can do is we can copy this button and edit 5 times 1 2 3 4 5. So we have 5 buttons over here, and just change its text and ID. So first is 7 8 9, and next we have addition, and next we have sqrt, which means square root. So you can see that we have one line of buttons here, which is 7, 8, 9 plus and sqrt. Now all we have to do is create a second line. So we can what we can do is we can copy this linear layout, Control C, and paste it right below here. So we have second linear layout here, and just change the IDs and texts of these buttons. So here we have 4, 5, 6, next we have the subtraction or minus, and after that we have factorial, and not. Okay, so you have added a second row as well. Now let's again, or we already have it, so let's paste it again to have another row. To just change the names here, we need 1, 2, 3, and then we have multiply, and next we have x power 2, x power 2, x power 2. So another line is also ready, and now let's just add the last row. So what we have here is 0, and next we have the dot, and after that we have equal sign, equal, and divide, and the last one we have x power y. And how we can write that here, x power y. So our layout is almost ready. So let me connect my mobile and let's run this. So give me a second. So our mobile is up, and let's just run this app. So our app is going to launch in a moment. So here you can see that our app is launched, and this is how it looks like. Since we will be adding the text on button click here, so just remove the input type number and make it none. And if you can make any more layout editing or make it more beautiful, so you can do that. You can simply, I want to change the background color of this button, and also this button. Now this one we can go for so like this you can do, or if you want to make a little bit space between them, so just add margin right 5 dp. so it has created a little bit space. And if you want to make the text color white, so you can do that as well. And let's make the background color background so it's our background color. And if you want to give background color to this edit text, you can also do that. Background F and just change it to something like this, and text color to white. And now let's run this. Now you can see the app will be launched, but there is no gap between these, so we can do that. Margin bottom 10 dp or 20 dp. And also you can give colors to these buttons. So click on this, add background, F and select a color for these buttons, and that's it. And change button color as text color as well, text color F. And now copy these and paste it for each and every button. Okay, so when you assign this color, it remains no gap between them, so we will also add a margin right of 5 dp, so it will give us gap between them as well. So we have no gap here, so margin right 5 dp, and also here margin right 5 dp, and at the end we don't need margin. So that's it. Or we can assign them different colors to these buttons. Change this color and make it okay. I change the button color as thing. Change the background color, so that's fine. And also change the color of this button, background okay. So now similar, do this for all. So copy, paste it here, paste it here, and paste it here. Also for this, paste it here, here, for this as well, and not for this, and also paste it for this. Okay, fine. Now copy this from here and paste it for this button, and also for this button, and also for this one as well, and the last one, the equal button as well. And after that, click on this and copy, Ctrl C, paste it for this, and the last one for this. So now our calculator looks better. And now let's run this. Okay, we also copied the weight as well, so remove that and control S, save it, and now run this app. But we have more issues, so scroll a little bit up. Yeah, here we have a problem. Also, actually we copied the Android layout width as well. For that reason it was giving some error. So now it's the design. I think the design is perfectly ready now. So let's run our application. So you can see that our design is now perfectly ready. So in the next tutorial we will add functionalities. So you can see that the text is a little bit up, so click here and add EMS of 10, and let's run this now. Or what we can do is to add text here to see how it looks there. 12. Okay, font text size 20 sp, 25 sp, but it's not working. Okay, so we will resolve this issue in the next tutorial, and I think so. Let's add text now. Okay, it's not resolved, but see you in the next tutorial, and in that tutorial we will also resolve this issue, and we will work on the functionality of this tutorial, of this calculator. See you in the third part of the tutorial.